So welcome back everybody. This is another UPS video after a very long time. I have reviewed the Luminous UPS and this one's the Livguard. I just got it for someone I know and I just thought I'll do a quick short video, but then looks like I don't have any help here, so I'm just doing this handheld, so don't mind my video quality on this one. So this one's the Sine wave inverter. It's got Akshay Kumar as brand ambassador on this one. And it's pure sine wave, got some intelligent charging technologies and stuff like that, and it can handle up to about 720 watts, I think, in terms of total power output. It's a 900 VA, so it can throw out up to 720 watts. So they do sell batteries too, but battery was bought separately on this one. It's just the UPS. Yeah, so this one was bought online. I'll leave links in the description in case you're interested, but this is a very good UPS for the price you pay. So this was about 5,200 rupees for a 900 VA inverter, which is really good price. So let's see what's inside the box. Very small and compact size, that's what I noticed. You can see the manual is actually there. Let me pull out this, give me a moment. Okay, doing all this in one hand. Yeah, that's the manual, and you can see it's got the warranty card also integrated inside this, given various things. I will try and explain everything as much as I can. So it's a very simple device. It's just got one button function in the front. That's all you need to do once you set it up, and it can handle battery capacities up to 200 AH. So the main unit is over here. Let's see what's at the back. And like I mentioned, so there are a lot of buttons and settings, and yeah, so yeah, let's read some of the features here. So it's got Smart AI 800 VA, sorry, I said 900 that time. So it's Sine wave, thermal protect, 4-way battery selector switch, Smart AI technology, LED display, which is not a display, it's just an indication, charging status, dual sensor thermal protection, 3 years warranty, dimensions, blah blah blah, and you know, it's about 9 kgs. So yeah, it's got some good protections built in for the transformer so that it doesn't catch fire and stuff like that, which is really nice to see. So yeah, it's a good inverter, and the plug is actually put at the back over here. It's not supposed to be plugged this way. It's got a reset button also over here in case you overload it. There's a protection fan for the whole device. It looks very ordinary, to be honest, and this is the switch. So it's got a regular mode and UPS mode, and you can choose the size of the current of the charging, for example, low, medium, high, based on the size of your battery. I'll leave you know, the screenshots of what you need to do for that. And then you can also select the battery type on the last right corner box. So if you're using a tall tubular battery or, you know, an SMC fan, very ordinary looking fan. And the finish is really nice. This one's got nice metallic body on it, and it's got Livguard, you know, embossed onto it. So this is the front part of it. So it does mention the model number there. Single button operation. It's a push button switch, and you can see all those LEDs will come on once you power this on. Yeah. So eco mode will probably run on higher voltage ranges. That's the biggest difference. So here's the battery selection mode. So if you have a small battery like a 120 to 150, then you select it on low charge mode. The switch is at the back, so based on that, you got to set this up. This is just once. You just do it once and then, you know, just forget about it. Okay, they've given some helpline numbers. Very nice. I mean, it's all easy to go to, and there's some ventilation vents on the sides as well. So in case you're keeping this somewhere, make sure that both the sides are clear of any obstruction. So it's going to pull in air from here and throw it out the back. So you can see that Livguard logo is also embossed there. So overall, it gives you a premium look, this UPS. It doesn't look like some, you know, terrible looking device. Here's the other side. And at the back, as you can see, it's given some details about what model it is and operating temperatures and stuff like that. That's the cable there, the positive cable, and the negative cable is actually situated a little far away. And these are the switches you have to be a little careful about initially. And here's the battery selection type. So if it's tubular, it's TU, flat plate. And again, you need to select the voltages based on the size of the battery capacity. So make sure you do that. And here's some more, you know, things about that. So LMH for different things at the back. This is connected to a battery, and I've put the mains on. It's connected to the line. So pressing this button on and you get that white dash of line, that means the UPS is functional. It will provide backup. Calling it UPS, but it's an inverter again, so not much of difference here. So you have a light which is showing about the mains being on, and the charging light is also on, which means the battery is being charged continuously. Once the power is off, the UPS on light will actually come on, and if it's overload, then it will show you a light over there. So switching off the mains, you can see the UPS light has come on, beeps 4 times. And once the beeps are done, you can see that the UPS is working smoothly. There's no problem. If the load is fine, it should work fine. And there's very little noise coming from the UPS. That's nice. And this is with medium load. Power back on. You can see the AC light came on. The power switches on after a small break. Yeah, it's on mains right now. And here's the battery. It's a 135Ah, the Amaron based company battery. So you can use any battery you want as far as you select the right charging point at the back. So it's a very nice UPS at a very good price point. Leave links in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. As always, please hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.